Good morning everyone. I will discuss cycle of refrigeration. 10 types of major of cycle of refrigeration. First, compressor is a mechanical device often called the heat of the system that increase the pressure and temperature refrigerant gas. This is a oil separator. A device that generates lubricating oil from the refrigeration gas, which is the discharge from the compressor. Then from compressor and oil separator, and then go to condenser, a heat exchanger that converts temperature high pressure gases refrigerant into a high pressure liquid by removing it. The fan is help the condenser to prevent overheating, to help cool down, and then from condenser go to receiver. Receiver as its meaning is a storage tank located in the liquid line downstream of the condenser that collects and store excess liquid from refrigerant. And then receiver from called this filter dryer. Is important of the this is a filter dryer. This is important for cycle of refrigeration because it filter out solid contaminants like dirt and debris and from refrigerant. And the refrigerant, by absorbing moisture and acids. And then liquid line. The definition of a liquid line is solenoid valve, the pipe that carries high